Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to set up your Pinterest profile so it looks clean, professional and ready to share your ideas. Once you're logged into Pinterest, click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the app. Next, tap on the edit profile button. Add a profile photo. It can be a personal picture or your brand logo. Then choose a username. Keep it simple and easy to remember, since this is how others will find you. If you have a website, blog or shop, make sure to add it here. This is a great way to drive traffic to your site. You can also set your location if you'd like. Once you're happy with your details, hit save. Now your Pinterest profile is ready. You can also customize it further by creating boards and pinning your favorite ideas. And that's how you set up your Pinterest profile in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll